Good morning. Second day here in Palos Verdes. Okay, so the guys were digging here by the footing of the garage, all the way by the home. As you can see, this is the footings of the home. They're about 4 feet deep, and then we'll have to run all the way. And then waterproof drainage system, concrete. Great. Good morning. We're here in Rancho Palos Verdes. Waterproofing is done, as you can see. Underground drainage system is done as well. Those are the cleanouts. They're running all the way to the side yard. Surface drainage is done as well. And next stage would be to install concrete. Almost done. Looking great. Okay, this is our last day here in Rancho Palos Verdes. This is our end result. As you can see, it looks amazing, the concrete and the surface drainage. Underneath over here you can see we did some waterproofing along the footings. We also installed some underground drainage starting all the way here, all the way to the side. Those are the cleanouts to flush the drainage. We install concrete and surface drainage. Amazing.